welcome to NehasBakery. Today we'll be making eggless and aquafaba free macarons in 3 flavors: Kesar Pista, white chocolate and chocolate caramel. So let's get started.
Shift 1½ cup of icing sugar in one bowl and keep it aside. Now take another bowl and shift 1½ cup icing sugar and 1½ cup almond flour and shift them together. Now in another bowl, take water, xanthan gum and protein powder and whip till there are no lumps. Now take half of the liquid mixture in the stand mixture and whip for 5 minutes. We are adding icing sugar to the liquid in 3 parts. Whip the mixture for around 20 minutes in the KitchenAid at the highest speed. In between 15 to 20 minutes, our meringue will be ready. Now add almond flour mixture to the meringue and mix it in cut and fold. We are dividing this mixture in 3 parts to color our macaron shell. You can use any powder color to color your macaron shells. I have used yellow, blue and red. Now pour the mixture in a piping bag with a round nozzle and pipe them in a macaron mat. Tap the macaron mat so there are no air bubbles in the shell. Now we'll keep these mats in AC for around an hour to form a crust. Now bake the shells at 150 degrees for 20 minutes. Our macaron shells are ready. We allow it to cool down completely before piping. We have taken 3 different flavors today: white chocolate, Kesar Pista and chocolate caramel. All the recipes are mentioned in the description below. Now we will fill the macarons. And our macarons are ready. Please share your feedbacks in the comments and like and subscribe our video.
Subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. Recipe and products used in the video are given in description below. Suggestions are welcome for the next video. Thank you.